Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. We have the Talaria MX5 here, and we're going to show you how to unlock it to get the top speed of 60 miles per hour. So the first step we're going to have to do, if you haven't assembled your bike already, you can actually just leave the fender off because you actually have to take this off. We're just going to remove these 3 bolts, these to the side. All right. So our fender is off, and that will give us access to this horn cover piece, and we're gonna remove that as well. Get these off. So there's 3 total bolts here, and you want to remove all 3. They're different sizes, so the ones on the sides that we're doing right now are a different size than the one in the front as far as length goes. So all right, we're gonna take this piece off here. This comes off nice and easy. All right, now once we have this open, you're gonna have to just kind of pull these wires out carefully that are tucked in here, and we're gonna find our brown looped wire. Just be careful pulling these out, guys. It's right off of this black connector here. Just be careful there. All right, so this is going to be the brown looped wire that you're gonna have to snip. Don't snip anything else except this looped brown wire coming out of this sleeve here, this orange sleeve that's going into this black connector. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take some scissors, and like we said, just be careful that you're only snipping this wire. Cut that, and guys, that is it. That's how you unlock the Talaria MX5. Now once you do this, this bike is no longer street legal, so just keep that in mind. But doing this will get you the top speed of 60 miles per hour, which is absolutely insane. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna stuff these wires back in there as carefully as possible. Kind of tight in there, and then, yeah, it's very tight. And then basically just make sure these are in the sleeve as well, and just pop that up in there. All right, and once we have everything nicely tucked back in there, we're gonna take our horn cover and put it back on. Make sure that fits right in there with nothing popping out. All right, guys, remember, these screws are different lengths. So you have 2 side screws and then the one on the top, and these are different lengths. As you can see, this is the top one, and then these are the side ones. All right, so we're just gonna screw everything back in. So we'll do the 2 sides first. All right, then we're gonna do the top screw here. And guys, just kind of make sure it's snug, but don't tighten it too much. You don't want to strip anything. All right, next we're going to wrap it up by putting the fender back on. Just going to line it up here. It doesn't matter what screw you put where because they're the same. You just want to make sure that washer's on there. Just going to line up the holes there. There we go. All right, to our last one here. All right, guys, so our Talaria MX5 is now unlocked to get top speeds of 60 miles per hour. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll get back to everybody. We have a lot of MX5 content coming up. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit that like button. Also ring that notification bell for future notifications of our videos. Thanks for watching. And until next time, peace out.